He's got our money. He's not going to return it.
We've always been looking for our dream home, and we found it.
I was directed by my doctor not to be in the house. We were asked to do a complete pack out of our home so that it could be cleaned. Walls had to be tore out. Vanities had to be tore out. Subfloors had to be tore out. The attic had to be completely overhauled. And remove the carpet and anything that might have spores in it. He assured us he could do it. I paid him. I shouldn't have, but I paid him.
And what this company did to her is so terrifying. We need to spread the word.
When we got our post-test back, the house was just as bad, if not worse.
Attic insulation wasn't removed. There was debris, dust left behind, visible mold growth on exposed framing. He actually steals the documentation.
He won't return my calls. He won't return my emails.
This is why we need your help.
And it's hard enough for you to come up with the money to do this when you're as sick as you get from mold. People think that you just get some respiratory issues, some allergies, some asthma, but it goes much deeper, much, much deeper. It affects you mentally and emotionally and physically and spiritually. I'm scared of our house. It has made me that ill. As much as I love it, I don't know that I can go back in it.